These simple Moong Dal Vadas are made with cooked mung or mung bean lentils, chili and herbs, spices, and rice flour. Once mixed, it's scooped up and deep fried in hot oil. It has a crispy exterior and a beautiful spongy interior. Start with 1 cup of moong dal. These lentils have been split and the skin has been removed. Wash this well and soak it for 2 to 4 hours. Drain all of the water and add the soaked dal to a blender. Blend this first with no water, and when you notice it can't be ground anymore, add a little bit of water and continue to grind it. Transfer this to a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, quarter cup of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilli, a quarter cup of chopped coriander, quarter cup of chopped curry leaves, a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a half teaspoon of mustard seeds, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a quarter cup of rice flour. Mix this well together and keep it aside. To test if the oil is hot enough, just drop a little bit of the batter into the hot oil. When this has come to temperature, you can either use 2 spoons or I prefer to use a little mini ice cream scoop, and this works really well. I love using this as it's easy to use, as well as it dispenses the batter into the oil, and I love how perfectly round the vadas are. Cook this at a moderate heat, ensuring that the vada is cooked all the way to the center. Once cooked, remove and drain this on some kitchen towel. Outside is nice and crispy and it's beautifully spongy inside. Eat this with some chutney and enjoy.